Welcome to the community of
engineers, the change agents in the society. In this video, we will solve some example problems for the estimation of solar extraterrestrial radiations. Now let's calculate the declination on 11th March, that is the tilt of the Earth on 11th March. To solve that, we have the expression that is del is equal to 23.45 sine 360 times 284 plus n upon 365, where n is the day of the year. Now to calculate day of the year of 11th March, we have January, February and March. We have 31 days in January plus 28 days of February, and we have to calculate on 11th March, so 11 days, so n is 70. Now using this n in the expression, we can compute that the declination on 11th March, that is going to be minus 4.414. Now let's calculate the normal radiation on a horizontal surface on 11th March at 2 p.m. for the city of Islamabad, Pakistan. The latitude of Islamabad, that is 33.68. So we have to calculate the value of irradiance using this expression. Now we can see that the day on which we have to calculate, that is the 11th March, the time that is given, that is 2 p.m. and the location, that is Islamabad. So we have the known values as solar constant, and its value is 1367 watt per meter square. Now we have the value of latitude, that is 33.68. Now to calculate the day of the year of 11th March, we start from January, that is we are having 31 days in January plus 28 days in February and plus 11, so total we have the 70. So n for our case for the for 11th March is going to be 70. Now we can calculate the declination, the tilt of the earth on that 11th March. So to calculate, we use this expression, and in this expression we use the value of n. So we calculate the declination, that is minus 4.414. Now change the 2 p.m. the hour into the angle hour omega. So for 2 p.m. we have 120 minutes, that is multiplied with 0.25, so omega for our case is going to be 30. So using these values in the expression, so in place of GSC we are using 1367, 70 days, and then the value of latitude, that is 33.68, and the value of declination, then the omega, then sine 33.68, again the value of the latitude, and the sine minus 4.414, the value of the declination. So after computing, we get the irradiance on 11th March at 2 p.m. Islamabad is going to be 972.8 watt per meter square. Now let's calculate the total solar radiation on the horizontal surface on 11th March for the city of Islamabad, Pakistan. The latitude already given, that is 33.68, and to solve this we have the expression. Now in this expression, H naught is the radiations for the entire day. Now we have the known values as Solar constant, we have the value 1367 watt per meter square. The location, the latitude of the location, that is 33.68. Now to calculate N, starting from January, we have 31 days in January plus 28 days in February and plus 11 days for March. So N for 11th March is 70. Now to calculate declination, that is the tilt of the earth on 11th March, now using the value of this N70, we compute the value of declination, that is minus 4.414. Now to calculate the value of sunshine hour, that is omega s cos inverse minus tan, the latitude 533.68, then multiply with tan, the declination, we have the value, that is minus 4.414. So after computing, we have the value of omega s, that is the sunshine hour, 87.375. Now using these values in the expression, like the solar constant 1368, then the day n70, then this latitude 33.68, declination minus 4.414, then using the value of this omega x s sunshine hour 87.375, again plus using the value of this omega s, then the value of this phi, the latitude and the declination. Now after computing, we get the value, that is 28.05 into 10 raised per 6 megajoules per meter square. Now this is going to be the value of energy we are receiving on 11th March in the vicinity of Islamabad. Now let's calculate the solar radiation on a horizontal surface for the city of Islamabad on 11th March between the hours of 10 am to 11 am. To solve this, we have the expression with the symbol I naught. This is used for the calculation of solar radiations between any time interval of the day. So to know the unknowns, we have the value of solar constant. This is GSC 1367 watt per meter square. The location Islamabad, the latitude of location Islamabad, that is 533.68, and for N, the day of the year starting from January. So we have 31 days for January plus 28 days of February and plus 11 for the March. So total 70. So N for our case is 70. To calculate the declination, that is the tilt of the earth on 11th March, using this value of N70, we calculate the value, that is minus 4.414. Now the 10 omega 1, the starting time omega 1, so we have 10 am, so with the negative sign we have 120 minutes multiply with 0.25, so it is going to be minus 30. This is omega 1. So for 11 am, 60 minutes with minus sign multiply with 0.25, so omega 2 is minus 15. So using these values in the expression, like this, solar constant 1367 watt per meter square, and this 70, the N, then the phi 33.68, declination minus 4.414, omega 2 minus 15, and omega 1, that is minus 30. Again omega 2 minus 15, omega 1 minus 30, sine phi, that is 33.68, and the declination minus 4.414. So after computing, we get the value of radiations, which is between 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. on 11th March in the vicinity of Islamabad. Its value is 7.19 into 10 raised by 6 megajoule per meter square.